Ooh, it's a little chilly right now. I'm feeling it. Just put the liner back in my jacket. Oh man, summer is over, but canyons are still waiting to be ridden. So yeah, we got a 40th anniversary R90 or R9T and the Ducati Multistrada. We're gonna hit the canyon roads and start the day off right. Super windy, holy smokes. Imagine living up here. Good thing it doesn't snow. Should be a disaster if it snowed. This is one hell of a canyon road, holy smokes. One way down the mountain. Woo! Right off the fucking cliff. Alright boys, we are in it. This road is sick. Oh man. Look at this. Boom. Holy shit. Gorgeous view. Wow. This is something special. I don't know. No, he's not fucking doing it. Going up is one thing, coming down is another. He might not be coming back down. He may be found his spot. You know? Well, there could be an issue that way, yeah. I think I hear him.
Wow. I'm like really tired.
Alright, well that was a little adventure. Got dirt in my tires. This bike is feeling good though, man. Feeling real stable through these turns. Just trying to stay focused on being smooth. Smooth on, smooth off. Trying to minimize brake usage and just carry the right amount of speed in. Obviously hitting the brakes if I need to, but looking through the turn. Trail braking a little bit there. And I love the Quickshifter though, man. It really is a game changer. I know I say that every damn time, but it really does feel good. Finding the right line, hitting the apex, boom. Ooh, a couple Porsche boys boogieing. Got the Lotus. Damn, these guys are fucking crushing it up here. Just holding on with my knees, trying to take some pressure off. Ooh, this is, you never know what you're gonna find in the mountain roads. About a smudge, gotta be careful. Don't want to hit that. Definitely don't want to. Whenever you run over gravel, don't give it throttle, right? You don't want to give it throttle. You don't want to hit the brakes because you could wash out in either event. You just want to coast over it if you can, right? You also don't want to just immediately shut the throttle off either while you're over the gravel, because that could cause some engine braking, which could again cause you to slide out. It's a little bit less common, but it could happen. So you really just want to be smooth, ease off the gas, and just roll over that kind of debris if you can. So sometimes the gear shift, the quick shift down, doesn't respond as quickly as I'd like it to, or with as light of a touch as I would like it to. So like this on that last turn, I found myself having to look down to check to see what gear I was in. Woo! Little arm pump, little wrist pump, whatever. Woo! Let's go! Damn, boys, this bike loves being up in these hills. I do need a steering damper though. When you start to get up to speed, just the way the ergonomics are set up, not necessarily in the mountains here, but more so on the highway, yeah, I get a little wobble on rough surfaces, so steering damper is definitely in the near future. Oh. Fucking this road is a little rough, Jesus Christ. It's absolutely beautiful up here right now, boys. God damn. Ooh, damn, look at that. Wow. Cloud cover, holy smokes.